Welcome student, class 2nd, subject EVS, lesson number 8, uses of plant. We will see in this video exercises. Let's start. A. Oral questions. 1. I am eating a turnip. Which part of the plant am I eating? Think about this. You will get the answer. Yes, correct. Here is the answer. Turnip is a root of the plant that we are eating. So, it is clear turnip, it is under the ground and it is the food. Got it? I know that you have guessed the proper answer. Write down in the notebook. Now we will see the next question. Question 2. What are edible oils? Think about that. What are edible oils? Okay, I know that you know very well the answer. Here is the answer, that is, oils used for cooking are called edible oils. Students, edible means eatable. जो हम लोग खा सकते हैं उसे क्या कहा जाता है? एडिबल. तो हम लोग कौन से ऑयल खा सकते हैं जो कुकिंग में यूज़ किए जाते हैं वो. दैट इज योर आंसर. ऑयल्स यूज फॉर कुकिंग आर कॉल्ड एडिबल ऑयल्स. राइट इन द नोटबुक. B. Quiz. 1. Name 2 spices. Student, as I have told you, spices gives the taste and aroma to the food, and Mama is using these spices daily. You should write only 2 spices here. Which are those? I have given here answer. See. 1. Red chili. 2. Clove. You should write others also. Cardamom, cinnamon, cumin, mustard, turmeric, ginger, black pepper. These are the all spices. You should write from those only 2 names here. Here is the next question, that is, name 2 fibers we get from plants. Which are the fibers? Yes, correct. Your answer. 1. Cotton plant. We get the cotton fibers from the cotton plants and we are making the cotton clothes from it. 2. Jute plant. From the jute we get the jute fibers, and with the help of jute fibers we can make the sack and mats. So these are the 2 plants. Here is the question number C, that is, take the correct answers. It is following. 1. The part of the radish we eat is its ... A root, B leaf, C fruit. As we know, it is a root, so you should tick in front of the root. Now, next is 2. Sacks and mats are made from ... You are having option A bamboo, B spices, C jute. So option is C jute is correct. 3. Shalu enjoys fruits like guavas and mangoes. She always washes them well with fresh water before eating them. What do you learn from Shalu? A. Care of fruit, B. Hygiene, C. Hard work. Yes, correct. We have learned from the Shalu, that is B. Hygiene. She is washing the fruit before eating with fresh water. Now here is the D. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. See the student, in bracket words are there: onion, tulsi, spices, edible and bamboo. These words you have to fill in the given blanks. See first, the juice of leaves is used to cure cold and cough. Answer is tulsi. The juice of tulsi leaves is used to cure cold and cough. Second, dot is an underground stem that we eat. You know the answer. Answer is onion is an underground stem that we eat. Now third, we get paper from the plant. From which plant we get the paper? Yes, it is bamboo. We get paper from the bamboo plant. You should write this in the notebook, that's why I am waiting. Next, 4. Oils used for cooking are called dot oils. Yes, answer is edible oils. Oils that used for the cooking are called edible oils. Now next, that is the 5. We add to make our food tasty. Answer is spices. We add spices to make our food tasty. Without spice, we cannot imagine our food will become tasty. It's need the spices. Next, E question, that is answer the following question. 1. How are acacia tree and rose plant useful to us? Think about that. Already I have explained when I have taught this lesson, and in that video also I have shown that which plants are what are the uses of acacia trees and rose plant. Here will be the answer. Answer is that we get gum from the juice of acacia plant and perfume from rose plant. So these two plants are very useful to us. We are preparing gum from the acacia plant and rose we are using to make perfumes. Second question, name any two plants each of which we eat a seed. We will write there groundnut, wheat. You can write in another also, rice, maize. These are the seeds. B. Roots. We should write there beetroot, radish. You can write others also, that is onion, then radish, carrot. These also you. Roots of the plants. Now see leaves. Cabbage, spinach. These leaves we are eating as a vegetable. D. Fruits. You can write many fruits are there. 1. Papaya, 2nd apple, that I have written. You should write other also. You can write pomegranate, oranges, like this. Okay. Now third question is that name one plant each from which we obtain a oil. We obtain oil from the sunflower and coconut. You can write other also, that is mustard, then groundnut. These are the seeds. B. Spices. We have lot of spices. Clove and cumin I have written. You should write many of them. You can write other one, cardamom, cinnamon, cumin seed, mustard seed, like this. C. Medicines. We get the medicine from the neem, turmeric, mulethi, dhatura, like the plants. And D. Fibers. Cotton and jute. These plants gives us fiber. Okay, here your exercise over.